Yo, check it out. I'm gonna bring some real freestyling to the table now. Nothing wrote down, nothing playing in my head, nothing, just all off the top of my head right now. I don't know. For real. Check this shit out, for real. Because I'm done with this shit. I'm tired of keeping down in this bitch. I'm about to stop holding back and really attack this beat. See, don't question me because I'm on my feet. I will be steep. I will erupt on this bitch. I'm corrupt and I will keep my mind outlined because I'm not fine. I'm fucked up in the head and my shit's all just, I don't even know what I said because I'm done. I'm not gonna run. I'm not having fun because this shit's all wrong. Don't you see? Put your mask on and keep hiding for this government. See, I'm gonna run with it, be free. Let my face hang out and feel the air on my cheeks. See, somebody's gotta step up or we're just gonna be fucked in like cattle. Only let out when they feel like it and raise the grass. Nothing lasts. I'm gonna outlast and lash out and reach on because it's beyond this world. You know it's gonna be like a whole nother war. You see none other before because it's us bringing us down. You see, we're not smart enough. We don't create the stuff. We just are giving and take it. No patience. Don't be late because this promise is unfulfilled. And don't you know, just be real. Somebody's gotta know the deal and stay true to the word from the past and outlast and just crush and rush out. No fear because there's none to keep near. Just take this whole universe and no reverse. It's too late because we just laid in the bed and take greed. Too much greed we need and more because we have to take and take even from the weak and just keep on our own feet. Fuck everybody else. That's not me. I'm gonna be an only soldier alone like I told you. I'm gonna change everything and expose you. See, I'm the last soldier. That's me. I'm a beast from the streets and I will eat on the disease. How's that shit? For real, just, I don't even know. All I know is I got my mask off. Assclown.